change Instagram picture after posting. If you'd like to change your Instagram picture after you've already posted them, we're not talking about profile picture but a certain post. So let's say I've uploaded a certain post over here with certain amount of photos and I want to change the photos that are within it. So let us explore the options we have. If we tap on three dots icon that we can find here and we can go to this option called edit, you can see we have the option to delete this current image over here. So I can tap on this little delete icon that you can find there or the trash icon and I can rearrange them. But unfortunately, it is not possible to change the photo itself. It is like tricking Instagram into thinking that you are getting the likes and comments for a whole different photo, while initially it was for the different photo, which is why, for security reasons, Instagram will not allow users to upload different photos after it's already been posted. The only thing you can, however, do, if it's a recent photo, you can try to delete it and upload another one. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.